Okay, welcome to the warm-up for the lesson. Rachel purchased 3 boxes of party invitations for $3.85 each. She mailed 28 party invitations to her friends and relatives. The cost to mail each invitation was 49 cents. What was the total cost in dollars and cents for the invitations and the cost to mail them? So we need to go ahead and circle our numbers, which you could have been doing while I was reading. We then need to underline the definition of these numbers. What does 3 represent? Well, it's boxes. You could have also underlined boxes of party invitations. That's how many Rachel purchased. Now, we know they were $3.85 each. We know she mailed 28 invitations. And the cost to mail each invitation was 49 cents. So the one thing we have here is the word each. Each equals 1 unit. And that means we have a unit rate, and we have 2 of them. $3.85 is a unit rate for how many one box of invitations is. And 49 cents is a unit rate for the cost of 1 invitation mailed. And that's good because once we realize we have a unit rate, we know exactly what we need to do. We need to write down our information. So the purchase information is 3 boxes for $3.85 each. Mailing information is 28. Invitations mailed for 49 cents each. What do we need to know? We need to know the total cost, which is purchase cost plus mailing cost. So the operation we're going to use, because we have eaches, or we have that unit rate, is multiplication. We are going to multiply 3.85 times 3, 49 cents times 28. We have $11.55 for the purchase information, and our mailing information is $13.72, or $13.72. What's the next thing you need to do? Because we need the total cost. We have our purchase cost, we have our mailing cost, but now we need to add them together. So our operation number 2 is addition. $11.55 plus $13.72, that equals $25.27. We then need to write our solution. Rachel spent a total of $25.27 to purchase and mail the invitations.